Hello and welcome everyone to my island in the sun. Thank you for tuning in to A Taste of St. Martin. Today we have fried sweet plantain on the menu. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and wash your plantain and pat dry it. Then you can start by cutting a slit along the length of the plantain. Be careful to avoid cutting too deep into it, okay? Also, you want to start to remove the peel and go ahead and retain some of the skin to reuse after the frying process, or you can use a paper towel. As you can see here, I'm slicing my plantain at an angle crosswise. You can do the same, or you can choose whatever shape you prefer. You will continue this until you have sliced up all of your plantain. I sliced up 3 plantains today. Your next step, you want to go ahead and heat your oil over medium high in a skillet. You want to start adding the slices of plantain. During this frying process, you want to check it periodically while the plantain cooks, and you want to do this until your plantain is golden brown. As the plantain continues to fry, you will notice around the edges of your plantain that it starts to turn brown. Once you start to see this, you can go ahead and start turning your plantain over. If it's to the golden brown that you like, go ahead and continue to turn the remainder of your plantain over. The initial browning of the plantain typically starts within 3 to 5 minutes. After about 10 minutes or so, your plantain should be nice and golden brown and ready to be removed. At this time, you can go ahead and start transferring your plantain. I'm going to go ahead and reuse the skin that I removed earlier from the plantain. You are more than welcome though, like I said, to use paper towel for yours. I hope you decide to try this dish. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Until next time, always progressing, always cooking.